After having this information about PHP, how it runs, what is it, the question is, why we need PHP? I mean, since we have HTML and CSS, JavaScript, so what is the need for PHP? In fact, PHP and HTML are compatible, or let me say it in another word, they complete each other. PHP is a scripting language, and that means it needs a runtime environment. PHP will run only on the browser.
And as we said before,
PHP will run only on the server. While HTML is a markup language. So it only specify, or let's say determine, the general structure and contents of a web page. While PHP provide a dynamic content through a script. One more thing about PHP, which is a server-side language, while
HTML is
okay,
a client
what does that
site.
What does all of that mean? All right, I'll show you. We have created this web page so far, which is a web page for register and sign in, which means create a new account. Every user has different name, different password, different email, different details. And by using HTML, if I try to click on submit, nothing is going to happen. It is seriously nothing. Now I have some validation for the content, but that's what only will happen, which means it's not going to take the user to new page, welcome him, or to another page to show him that he successfully create a new account, and that is not useful at all. Which means HTML is going to show the same page for all different users. And that's why we need PHP. PHP is going to allow every user to have different web page. Means different profiles. All right, let's see how that will happen. To do that, we need to go to our form. And inside the form, remember that we have input, type, and then we have name, fname, and ID, username. With PHP, we need to use the name. And to take the name, we need to use something called super global. PHP super global is a variable, built-in variable by PHP that will help us to use that variable everywhere in our website. So the super global that we are going to use here is $_post, and then we open the angle brackets, we have the single quote here, and then we take the name of the input and set it here. What does all of that mean? Wait, I will show you. In fact, if I run the code now, nothing will happen. But to show you what will happen, I'm going to print. I will write the statement to print user first name. And by the way, this one is a comment, PHP comment. So the keyword that we will use to print is echo and then first name, our variable. Okay, save and go to check the browser. Here is our web page. I'm going to enter some details. Anas Muhammad. Then my username is Anas MIT stuff 20@gmail.com. Password, some password. Some password. Select the birth date. I will select just anything, and major is information technology, then submit. If we scroll down, it's going to print at the bottom of the page. If we can see here, there is my first name, the one that I print before. Okay, we'll stop here, go and practice this one, and continue next video.